Yo, what's up everybody? Art of Death, you know who it is. So today I got Estera here with me. This is gonna be
Hi
my
guys.
model. We're gonna be doing, what are we gonna be doing? Tell them.
Ice Queen makeover. Is that what you call it?
Well, Ice Queen makeup body paint. We're gonna do that. Well, it is kind of a makeover in a sense.
It
So
is.
yeah, her Instagram is gonna be down here. Make sure you check her out. But yo, nonetheless, subscribe, hit the like, let's get into it. We're gonna start off with the Nye Cream makeup. This is the clown white makeup, and I'm just applying it with a sponge. Typically, I would just smear it in my hand and then apply it. That's if I'm doing a paint on myself, but since working with a model, applying it with a sponge, just getting it around the face in all the different areas, kind of caking it in a bit, and then we just spread it out to the body. In some areas, I'm leaving it open because I am going to be going over those areas with some paint. So we're trying to create like a transition type of thing going on. Then we throw on our setting powder just to set the cream. And now we're going to use the James Charles palette. And I'm also using the Mehron Mimi Choi palette to fill in some of the shadow areas, and then I'm gonna start going in with the purple to kind of add a bit of color to this look. My whole process of thinking for this was to go along some of the edges of the face and kind of contour some of the areas to kind of make everything bold and stand out on certain spots. So that's why you see me not going over the entire face, but just going over just some areas of it. Now we move on to the Superstar glitter paint. There's actually an interesting backstory behind this because I ended up getting this paint from the place where I get all my body paints from, and that was the one sample they had, the only one that's ever made. And I decided to test it out here, and it came out absolutely amazing. So to give it more of an Ice Queen look, went over the eyebrows, then just adding some eyeshadow to the eyes there. Then we make some of the hair white. Then add some of that silver paint to line off the lips, kind of bring things out. The rock candy portion you could check out on the Patreon. We did that on IG Live. I actually made this ice crown too. That's a fun little fact. Now we get straight into the photography portion. Absolutely loved how these photos turned out, and we brought the Ice Queen to life.
Hey guys, if you want to see more, make sure to head over to Patreon's link in the description.